Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply Tender Touch. It also goes by many other names. Some people like to call it Cloud Touch or even Silky Touch. So basically, there's a couple reasons why people like to use Tender Touch. One of the first reasons is for a more professional look, so it covers up the stitches after embroidery and it makes your design look really flush on the back end after you're done. Another reason why people like to use Tender Touch is basically after you're done embroidering and you put on the garments, you can sometimes get like a abrasive feeling from the threads. So this covers up the threads and make the garment a lot more comfortable to wear, especially when dealing with children's clothes. They have sensitive skin, so you want to make them as comfortable as possible when wearing your things. Alright, so let me bring you guys to the heat press so that you can see actually how to apply Tender Touch. Alright guys, so this is your garment inside out after embroidering. So you can see your threads, you can see your stabilizer, and this right here is just so uncomfortable to wear. So this is the Tender Touch. So on one side it's more of a nice silky feel, and then on the other side it's more of an abrasive feel. So the abrasive side is what you want facing down, so attaching to the shirt. So we're going to just get a piece of this and cut it the same size as our design. So you want it to cover up the whole design. And I'm just going to like cut right here at the top. And then remember to keep the abrasive side down. You'll know which side is abrasive once you feel it. It has like more of a heavier feel to it. So we're just going to lay that over our design, and remember to cover the design completely. And then you're going to want to press this on your heat press for about 10 seconds. So alright guys, it's pretty simple. Now you see that the Tender Touch is laying flat over the design and is really smooth, and it covers it up really nice. So if you see a little couple other pieces that might be sticking up, you might just want to press it one more time. But other than that, it's ready to go. Alright guys, so I hope this video helps you guys a lot. If you can give this video a thumbs up, then that would be great, and thank you for watching the video.